So when we first started out with Philmac, we started buying the 3/4 and the 1-inch UTC coupling. Because in our system, we have on the customer side that we have to tie back onto. You have copper, you have PVC, you have galvanized. And when you buy brass, you have to buy all three of those parts. You got to buy a part that'll work on copper or on PVC or on the galvanized. With the UTC coupling, it's on each side. It's got collets and it's got your metal rings that will grip in. So if you put it on galvanized, when you tighten it down, those rings grip into the pipe. Same way with PVC or your copper. If you got copper tubing size, then you have copper that maybe not always is the same size as what we put in. So it's a really great product because you can tie on to your side whether you're using copper or PEX or poly. But if you get to the customer and they have copper, PVC, galvanized, then you're good to go. I mean, it's a one-stop shop, one product, and you can tie on to anything.